I think what we're seeing is really a second wave of adoption, right? So after a few years in which we've mainly seen the retail investors that were entering the space, transacting on unregulated venues, the general theme is that we're seeing banks and financial institutions entering the space. And we've seen in Hong Kong, but also outside of Hong Kong, a number of announcements from major banks, the likes of Standard Chartered, Commerzbank, BNP, in one way or another, entering the space in the past few months. Then recently, the announcement of Revolut, and I think today or yesterday, the announcement of PayPal, right? So the main theme is that regulation is becoming clearer around the world, and I think in Asia, as Alexander was mentioning, in the case of Singapore, we have very favorable regulatory frameworks. So in the case of Hong Kong, we've seen the SFC granting the first licenses to broker-dealers, in principle licenses to one exchange platforms, and also putting together a framework for asset managers operating in the space and including digital assets within their offerings. We've also seen a number of central banks basically taking a first step into the space around, I would say, most of the G10 central banks are launching experiments or test programs. And I think the most important news in the past few weeks was obviously the Chinese renminbi going live in some cities in China.